3, 2, 1.
Good luck, Balmy.
Thank you very much.
You know that you can mount fairly.
Ah, shut up, Stan. You know you can
Who
toggle
is
them on the
that?
first boss.
Who's that laughing in the background, mate? What's going on?
Someone's mom.
Was that Tony in the
Can't be your
background?
mum, chef. She's around mine.
Whoa.
Yeah, he's asking for a beef.
A joke.
It's my girlfriend who started laughing really loud for some reason. And I've never heard that before.
That says more about you than her.
She never has
She's
fun.
never allowed to be happy around you.
Yeah.
Just that's new. Didn't know it did that.
Alpha Porgy. All the way right side, all the way right side. Tony, do yours. Let's move in.
Air and sand can cut like blades in the wind. Rock Code 2 will prove this.
Bow me. 3. Dex. Oh shit. 3 is fine. Porky, do yours. And toggle. Alpha, whenever you have it, it's gonna spin soon. Oh, that's borderline close, 3. What the hell? Your tippy toes in there. Let's go. It's a fast one though.
Okay, Werner, okay.
Okay.
Nice one, boys. Don't stack with me.
Jeez.
Else I'm dead.
Oh, we have to wave.
Pull it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move it. Yeah, it's actually better like this next. Make sure to still get the ones upstairs. Freed, nuggets.
Helpful.
It's gonna
And
stomp
Pocky
the
when you have
front.
it.
Careful.
Pockets are helpful.
Focus the ads. Gonna stomp soon, the other one. Let's go on boss.
Spread when they're stuck.
Stomping.
Good job. AoE.
There's still an archer on the way left, Alpha.
Yeah,
Can you grab it?
I'm trying.
Same
Focus
spot.
on boss for now.
No,
Your neck isn't worthy.
my horn. Totally.
AoE.
Burn in my flame.
Meteor, what happens then?
Careful with toggle.
Right side.
Alpha.
And
You
toggle,
did already.
toggle. That was unfortunate with the timing. We're fine. You guys swapped on right side?
No.
No.
Or left side, me?
No.
When you
Yeah,
do,
we did.
swap. Go, pull it. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The master demands your death. I hear and obey. Light it up.
One in the back, all the way in the back. Focus it right here. Alright, still fast.
Tell Kale Stick, we failed. The mortals have come far, but only Unsay of first rank are allowed in this chamber. You have no idea what you've done.
Bomb in 3, let's start. Everyone get ready. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The Shahai of a first rank Unsay sank Yakuna. This warrior Shahai is beyond first rank.
And stack in 3, 2, 1, break.
The healing cloud parts!
Alpha, Porky. Stay in line. Shield throw. And toggle. Gonna move.
The master draws his sword by 100 cuts.
Balmy, do yours. Tony, do yours. Move away in 3, 2, 1, break. Shield throw. Dex, do yours. Move away in 3, 2, 1, break. Don't be greedy with toggle. Free to yours. Alpha when you have it.
Think Tony.
Front is clear.
Burn in Yakuda's remaining light.
3, 2, 1. Now.
Move away from Porky in the back. 3,
I have
2,
the cleave on.
1, break it. Mini cleave. Mini cleave. Stack up. Porky to yours. Bami. Stack. And move. And it's
Gonna
gonna toggle
Shihai.
positions. It's not gonna do cleave. Okay, nice.
Oh,
Pump
look
it,
at
pump
the
it, pump it,
time.
pump it, pump it.
Dude, nice.
Good job.
Good job.
How many people died in the end? What the fuck?
We could have. I wasn't
at
joking
this.
when I said we could have had sub 8 minutes. Like,
Yeah.
we're not that far.